Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to show you my favorite way of varnishing coffee tables. It's fast and easy and you get a nice thick coat on there. So what you're looking at here is a 60-40 mix of an oil-based polyurethane and paint thinner. This is actually an old school way of making your own wipe-on poly. I like using this thick blue heavy-duty paper towel to apply it, and I only use a small square, and I actually cut it to size rather than tearing it to size to minimize the amount of lint that gets left behind. And to apply it, simply soak your rag in your mixture and start wiping it on. Now you can see that there's already a coat of varnish on here, and that's because I only use this wipe-on poly for my second and third coat of varnish. For the first coat, I like to use a nice thick coat of varnish, which I actually brush on undiluted. That way I know I'm getting a nice thick base coat and I don't have to put many of these thin coats on there. After I put that first coat on, I sand all the imperfections out with a 320 grit sandpaper, things like dust nibs and little air bubbles and whatever other imperfections you might notice. And then I'm ready to apply this wipe-on poly. So the benefit of this is that you're getting that really thick base coat and you're finishing it with two thin coats, which provides a really nice, smooth and even finish with minimal imperfections. And putting just one coat of this wipe-on varnish only took 2 minutes and 41 seconds, and this coffee table is about 2 feet by 3.5 feet long. Another nice thing about this is that you can apply this in any direction you like. You can go left, right, up, down, swirls if you want, doesn't really matter. At the end, however, though, I do like to go along the grain of the wood just to make sure I get a really nice even finish. You don't have to worry about brush strokes, you don't have to worry about it getting too tacky too quickly, and if you want to go over the same spot more than once, you can. So there you go. Nice, easy way to finish coffee tables. You get your 3 coats, you get one thick base coat, and it looks really good. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and see you next time.